downstairs. Follow me along my work commutes. We'll be there in 1 second. All right, it's dark outside, guys, because it's still 6 a.m. But turn this lamp on, and this is my work space in the man cave. It's also a gym. But I'm gonna go ahead and start booting up because it does take a couple of minutes. And then I'm gonna go make me some coffee. Turn my mouse on. I have to build the habit of turning that off every day because these batteries go quick. Put y'all up here. So yeah, I work from home, so I literally have no reason to get dressed or do anything at all to my hair. So it's pretty easy as far as doesn't take me a long time to get ready. I don't have any commute. I just walk down the steps, but I really don't have any reason to wear any decent clothes. I usually just wear a hoodie and my sweatpants that I slept in, and then I take my shower at night before I go to bed. So yeah, go ahead and boot up, and I'm gonna go make some coffee so you can come with me. So it's time to start making my coffee. I actually still have plenty of water left in here from yesterday, so I'm just gonna go ahead and boil me some water in a tea kettle. I use this good old-fashioned instant coffee. Does the job. Grew up on it. My parents used it my whole life. So that's what we'll be using today. And then what mug should I use? I have a couple of favorites. It's my mug cabinet. But I really love this Hoover Dam mug. It's just something about it. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that one today. And of course, you gotta start each day off with a full glass of water. I ran the dishwasher last night. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some good old sink water. Drink your 8 glasses a day, guys. I really do try to drink at least about 8 glasses a day. So good. Try to turn it off quick because we still have Avian and Dre in the house asleep. But at the end of the day, they need to wake up. No, I'm joking. All right, so see if I can make coffee and vlog at the same time. Actually, I'll put y'all down for a second.
This one's super there. Just a heavy cream. Put my water in first.
I hear somebody coming down the steps for VLOGMAS Day 2. Hello? Anyone there?
You so silly.
Good morning! Are you excited for VLOGMAS Day 2?
Is something wrong with you? But I guess. Or work day 2?
Yeah, he just hating y'all because I work from home and he don't.
Not necessarily. I'd rather be out and do my work face-to-face, hands-on.
Hands-on? Hold on now. Who you be hands-on with at work?
Cars.
Oh, okay. Hi guys, so it's still the work day, but I am folding laundry on my lunch break. You guys can't even see me. I don't have a good spot. Nope. Maybe there. But yeah, I'm folding laundry on my lunch break. And for those of you that do know me, know that this is a big deal. Cause one thing about Feb and Dre, we don't like to fold no laundry. So just checking in, still vlogging for Vlogmas Day 2. See y'all later. All right, guys, so I wasn't gonna eat, but I am actually starving. So I am about to make a low carb turkey wrap. Just need some lettuce. Y'all, my fridge is low-key right. And you know we gotta get that Dukes. So I will show y'all the finished product when I'm done. This wrap though, it's a wrap. That Italian dressing really set it off. I used to think I wasn't gonna eat lunch today. What? All right, Cloudy, I know you're watching. I'm coming back to work. See you in a minute. Look at Dre getting that last cut of the season. Struggling, boy. Usually I cut the grass. You're doing a great job. Huh? Great job. He's struggling, y'all. Look at him struggling. Oh, dang. We're gonna spruce this yard up one day. What's up, y'all? So, yep, it's me, still looking a hot mess. Finally off of work. What time is it? 5:18. I went to work at 6 and got off at 4:40, trying to make up those hours from Monday. And I am now cooking. So I was gonna show you guys what I'm cooking. Trying to eat a little bit better again. So I am making zucchini noodles with garlic, butter, and mushrooms. We got some barbecue ribs in there. So got those on broil. So I'll be turning those off in a minute actually. And then, sorry y'all, I do cover my mouth. I got some broccoli for the guys. I asked Avian if he wanted rice. He said no. And Dre, he's fine without rice. So we're just gonna eat us a low carb meal tonight. And that's about it. Dre's still out there mowing the lawn. We'll check back in a little bit. All right, so here we have it. Again, this is a low carb dinner, y'all. So I know it ain't nothing to write home about, but this is what we're eating tonight. Look, guys. The gang's back together. How's your dinner? Y'all, I know, one, that I probably have food all up in my teeth because it's inevitable. But two, I also know that I always give Dre a hard time. But let's just look at why. Who eats ribs with a fork?
Whatever.
Come on, look. The struggle. Like, what is going on?
See what had happened
You know, you
was,
can just pick the rib up.
yeah, but then I gotta wash my hands and I'll do all that stuff.
It's coronavirus. You gotta wash your hands anyway. What are you talking about? Like, I just feel like you're making life more difficult.
Leave me alone. Look, I just cut the grass, took a shower.
I've been cut the grass. I'm gonna leave you alone, Dre. How did your dad work? Everyone wants to know. How did you? What did you say this morning? How do you like to handle your customers? You like to
Hands on.
You like to be hands on. Were you hands on with any of your customers today?
Nope. Mostly with the cars.
Mostly with the cars. So if it was mostly with the cars, that means it wasn't all with the cars. So
Some of it was me.
all right, well, I'm gonna let you go on that one. So that's Dre after work eating ribs with a fork. I noticed I always cover up the speaker with my hand. I gotta do better, y'all. But guess what? I got a surprise when Dre came home from work today. He brought me flowers. They haven't bloomed all the way yet, but put them in the vase, with the flower food. So I will keep you guys posted on if they bloom. Thank you, Dre. It was so sweet.
Welcome.
So I just broke out the selfie stick so we could do some real deal vlogging up in here. Oh, you getting into it now? Now you're gonna have to wash your hands. Look at that.
Yo.
So what's everyone doing tonight?
Was it Vlogmas Day 2?
Day 2, Vlogmas. We're trying to keep up. I know nothing too exciting is going on. You've just seen me walk around the house basically for 2 days.
Shout out to everybody that watched Day 1. Go ahead, if you haven't watched Day 1, watch Day 1.
Yeah.
Go ahead, subscribe to our channel, like, and then share, you know. And one other thing too, Fanbase. If you haven't downloaded the app Fanbase and you're a vlogger, YouTuber, content creator, go ahead and download Fanbase. That you can actually get paid for your content a lot sooner than on YouTube as well. So check it out. Fanbase on the it's in the Apple Store.
Not only fans.
Right.
Fan base.
Completely different. Fanbase does not
No,
allow
but if you guys
any...
listen to the Breakfast Club, I guess whoever created the app or the social site was
Isaac
on
Hayes
there.
III.
Isaac Hayes III was on there promoting it, and they were looking for, I guess, personal investors. And they were trying to raise a certain amount, and they raised it within like 2 or 3 hours. So Dre went ahead and invested a little bit of money for us, and then of course he downloaded the app and created one for us. And I haven't even logged into it yet because did you ever get that password reset?
Oh, no. Well,
He needs to reset the password. But anyway,
I
we've
can't
already
remember.
made,
No.
what did you say, 8 cents?
well, no. 1 cent. We made 2.
2 cents.
2 cents. So
So
we've been on YouTube for what?
a long time.
About a year.
For y'all to not be liking, sharing, and subscribing, but we're not gonna talk about that.
Right.
But we've been on Fanbase for 2 weeks, and we done already made 2 cents.
Exactly.
So it seems pretty legit. So it's free, right? It's free.
Mm-hmm.
So check it out. From what I understand, it's kind of similar to like an Instagram or a Facebook. So don't hurt. And while you're downloading yours, go ahead and subscribe to ours.
So, yep, we're on Fanbase. We're Feb Dre TV.
Feb Dre TV or Feb and Dre TV?
You can find, our username is Feb Dre TV.
Feb Dre TV. You heard it here first. So when we raking in the dollars, you know, you heard it here first. But no, thank you guys. So we really don't have much to vlog about. So we were just sitting here talking really about nothing because we didn't come up with anything. But I was thinking, would you guys like a Christmas tree tour? I know it sounds corny, but one thing that I do like to do when we travel, like people collect different things, and one of the things I like to collect are Christmas tree ornaments. So I have a small collection. So if you would like to see my collection of Christmas tree ornaments from around the, we'll say, Caribbean, and I mean a little bit around the world, not really, but haven't traveled too far yet, go ahead and leave me a comment and I will be more than happy to give you guys a Christmas tree tour. But in the meantime, Dre is gonna pour us some box wine and we're probably just gonna watch Judge Judy, Wheel of Fortune, Jeopardy, and then I'm gonna go take a shower and probably call it a night because I'm gonna get up and go to work early again tomorrow. But definitely, Dre's gonna watch football. Why? First of all, it's Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Why is football on? And second of all, why was there football on at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
COVID. Where did you see football at 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
This girl that I follow
Maybe the game was on at 2
was watching a Steelers game, a Pittsburgh game.
And the Ravens?
I think so.
Oh, so the
And
game
then
was already on?
when I got off work, Avian turned the game on. And he said he was going to turn on a Christmas movie, but he left the game on because he thought you would want to watch the game. But I told him you was cutting the grass. So, yeah, you done missed the game, bro. All right, let's say, who do you think won?
The Ravens. No.
You didn't get alerts to your phone?
On ESPN, but I was cutting the grass. I haven't really.
No.
I don't
So
wanna check it.
we really don't know who won. What are you going to go watch it back? Like,
No, I was just gonna check ESPN and see who won.
all right, we'll check it now. So you said the Ravens won?
Yeah.
I say the Steelers won just because, you know, it's a bet. And we're the only 2 people here.
Actually, it's still on in the fourth quarter. Pittsburgh's winning.
Ooh, I bet you $5 the Steelers gonna win.
Yeah,
Hold on.
it's
I don't
on
even know what the
NBC,
score is right now. I don't even know what the score is. Hold on, y'all.
19.
I mean, I don't want to point out the obvious. And I definitely ain't one to brag, but y'all remember that bet we had just made? Looks like I'm winning. We bet $5, right?
Can I borrow $5?
So I'm just saying. Mind you, I don't really watch football too much. But it look like I'm winning. Will you hand me my wine, please? All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here so I can put it together. I would say I'd hang out until the Steelers win, but we already know I won this bet. So, again, thank y'all.
It's in the fourth quarter, so.
Thank y'all so much for watching, and we will see y'all tomorrow.
Day 2.
Happy Vlogmas.